let's talk about what's new at SurveyMonkey. We're doing something a little special for this update. At CuriosityCon, our biggest event of the year, our product team shared an incredible look at our latest features. So now, we're bringing you an exclusive deep dive into that product keynote. From automated market research to big Claude news, let's jump into the highlights. And here's the recap.
What if you could zoom from a high-stakes product packaging decision to a specific digital UX friction point all in a day's work? To solve for this need for accessible, fast market validation before investing in a major launch, we are introducing SurveyMonkey LaunchPad, a dedicated suite of 10 automated market research solutions that give you the rigor of a research agency at DIY speed. We are bringing advanced methodologies like MaxDiff, Van Weston dot pricing meter, and monadic concept testing into guided plug-and-play recipes. You bring your idea or product concept, and automated methods handle the setup. Once you're ready to launch your project, we instantly connect you to a global panel of over 335 million respondents, one of the largest DIY panels in the industry.
Today, we know that more and more of you are doing your daily work directly inside conversational AI interfaces. LLMs are incredibly powerful at writing, analyzing, and synthesizing at scale, but they don't have access directly to what your customers, market, or employees are thinking and feeling. The SurveyMonkey Claude Connector fills that gap, bringing continuous, real-world human context into your work, all within the same flow, so you never have to leave your favorite AI tools to get the answers you need. So what does this look like in practice? You simply type, "Create a survey for our on-site this summer" to get feedback on the agenda and what people want to learn. Claude won't just give you a text outline. It will consider your request, ask any necessary clarifying questions, and then actually start building the survey in your SurveyMonkey account. If you look at the draft and decide the language is a bit too stiff, you don't have to go into our editor to fix it. You can just tell Claude, change the phrasing to be more casual. Claude connects the dots and automatically updates the existing questions and answer options for you. You can use this integration to search existing surveys, create new ones, edit questions, launch your surveys, track your responses, and analyze those responses. The SurveyMonkey Claude Connector is available for you to use right now.
So there you have it, some of the biggest product updates from CuriosityCon. You can start trying them all yourself today. And if you want to check out the rest of the event, you can watch on demand at surveymonkey.com/curiositycon. We'll be back next month with even more product updates, so stay tuned.